Hello, business owners. Welcome back to the eighth step of this 9 step video series. I am your growth consultant, Karan Garg. In our previous video, we talked about delivery. We learned that customers may forget what you said, but they'll never forget how you made them feel. Great delivery creates happy customers. But today, let's talk about something that many business owners feel uncomfortable discussing: getting paid. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever completed a project successfully? The customer is happy, they appreciate your work, and then you spend 3 months chasing your money. Funny, right? Calls, WhatsApp messages, emails. Sir, just a gentle reminder. Sir, accounts department asking. Sir, payment will be released next week. Sounds familiar, right? Here's the truth: sales brings revenue, collections bring cash flow. And remember this: profits is only on paper until the money reaches your bank account. Many business owners hesitate to ask for payments because they think they'll spoil the relationship. But let me tell you, a professional business never feels guilty about collecting what it has honestly earned. Customers don't lose respect because you ask for payment. They lose respect when your billing or invoicing process is unprofessional. So let's build a payment system, not a payment struggle. Point number one: track outstanding payments automatically. Never depend on memory or Excel sheets alone. Use a CRM, ERP, or accounting software that automatically tracks outstanding invoices, due dates, partial payments, overdue accounts. If you don't track your money will stop tracking you. Point number two: invoice immediately. Don't wait for the end of the week or the end of the month. The moment a milestone is completed, raise the invoice. The longer you delay invoicing, the longer you delay getting yourself paid. Point number three: automate payment reminders. Don't rely on manual follow ups. Set up automatic reminders through email, WhatsApp, SMS. A system reminds customers politely and consistently without making anyone uncomfortable. Point number four: offer every payment option. The easier you make it to pay, the faster you'll receive your money. Accept payments through possible options like UPI, bank transfer, debit credit cards, payment links, QR codes, checks, cash appropriate for you. Never lose a payment because your customer couldn't find a convenient payment method. Point number five: automate collections. Use technology to send invoices, reminders, payment confirmations, and receipts automatically. Let your system do the follow up while your team focuses on growing the business. Automation saves time, improves professionalism, and increases your collection. Point number five: define your payment policy before the project begins. One of the biggest mistakes business owners make is discussing payments after the work is completed. Instead, include everything clearly in your proposal: advance payments, milestone payments, final payments, due dates, last payment terms, taxes, accepted payment methods, everything. When expectations are clear from day one, there are fewer misunderstandings later. As I always say, don't negotiate payments after delivery. Agree on them before the project begins. Point number seven: keep your cash flow predictable. A successful business doesn't just generate sales, it generates consistent cash flow. Because salaries, rents, vendors, taxes don't wait. Your collections shouldn't wait either. Remember, revenue is vanity, profit is sanity, and cash flow is reality. This is one of the most powerful financial lessons every entrepreneur should remember. Here's my final thought of the day today: make it easier for customers to buy and even easier for them to pay. If you found this video valuable, like it, share it with other business owners, and tell me in the comments what is the biggest challenge you face in collecting payments on time. And final video of the series will move on the last step, number 9, which is reviewing, where we'll show you how successful businesses continuously measure, improve, and grow their reviewing performance, customers, processes. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building a business that works for you, not because of you. I'll see you in the final video.